Let me start with a simple analogy. Imagine you are training an AI to understand human language. But instead of giving it a grammar, you only give just a dictionary, just words, millions of them. Will it understand meaning at the end? No, I don't think so, because meaning is not in the words. It's in how words are combined. In gene regulation, we are often doing exactly the same mistake. We feed the AI with sequences, with gene lists, with expression matrices, but we don't give it the grammar of regulation. This is where TRANSFAC actually begins. TRANSFAC is not just a database, it's a language model of gene regulation. You can call it like this. It's built over more than 35 years, and it contains experimentally validated transcription factor binding sites, binding profiles, regulatory interactions, all curated from literature and experiments. But the key idea is much deeper. In most resources, you have only models for transcription factors. In reality, binding is context-dependent. The same transcription factor can behave differently depending on cell type, chromatin state, cofactors, and many other things. So TRANSFAC captures this variability through multiple binding models. Now think about AI. If you train an AI model on simplified or incomplete motifs, you are teaching it a wrong grammar. If you train it on TRANSFAC, you are teaching it how regulation actually works. And this is where much tool comes in. It's not just a scanning tool, but a way to apply high-quality regulatory rules to real sequences. And then we move beyond a single site. We move towards combinations of sites, to regulatory modules, to patterns that define the function. Because biology, not just in speaking in words, it speaks in the whole sentences. So TRANSFAC BASIC is not about motifs, it's about learning the language of life. And when integrated into GeneXplain platform, you can connect this language directly to omics data and real biological systems. You can tell us about your problem by filling out the form. The link is below the video, and we'll try to explain how we can help. If your issue is more complex, simply tick the box in the form, and we'll arrange a Zoom call and talk personally. Stay tuned, and goodbye.